Welcome. Today, we'll tackle some common issues you might face with the Netmirror app. Let's get started. First things first, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected and that there are no network issues. Sometimes, all it takes is a quick restart. Close the app fully and reopen it to see if that resolves the issue. Always ensure your app is up to date. Go to your app store and check for updates that might fix bugs or enhance performance. Clear the app cache and data to boost its performance. This can often do wonders for app functionality. If problems continue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. This can solve deeper glitches. Ensure your device meets the necessary requirements for the app. Sometimes, compatibility issues can arise. User forums can be a goldmine for common fixes. Take a look at what others have done to solve similar issues. If none of these steps work, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance. To recap, we covered internet checks, restarting the app, updating, clearing cache, reinstalling, checking compatibility, consulting forums, and contacting support. We hope you found this video helpful.